Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very easy breakfast sandwich. First off, I'm going to be using only a few ingredients. So here I have buns, Smokies, assorted bell peppers, 2 eggs, and cooking oil, and of course seasoning. Take your 2 Smokies or sausages, but today I'm using Smokies. I'm going to cut them into slices. Place a pan on medium heat. Add some cooking oil, just a little bit to fry the Smokies. Place them in the pan. Now as my Smokies cook, I'm going to be making my eggs. So I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. What we're looking for is the smoky to be crispy. A little bit crispy, not too much crispy. So after about 2 minutes, I'm going to flip my Smokies. As you can see, they're so crispy. That is what I wanted. And let the Smokies cook on the other side for just like 1 minute. Yeah, they're ready. So I'm going to put this aside on a paper towel to drain excess oil. To my eggs, I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and my assorted bell peppers. Whisk to combine, and a dash of milk. In the same pan, I'm going to add my egg mixture. I'm going to dip in my burger bun, then the other side. So you're going to cook this on medium-high flame. So you check on your egg so that it doesn't burn. Once you notice that your eggs are cooked on the bottom side, you just flip. Yay! Now you're going to fold the sides of the egg. I'm going to place my cooked Smokies on top, then flip. This is one heavenly breakfast. Yum. My breakfast is ready. Look at my sandwich, aka burger, because I used burger buns, and it's looking good and it's smelling good. Oh my god, it's smelling so good, you guys. I'm not lying, it's smelling so good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in half, and then you're going to see how beautiful it is on the inside. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on my next episode. And also, if you enjoyed watching this simple breakfast recipe or snack, you can give this video a like and also subscribe and share with a friend. And don't forget to click the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So thank you so much guys, and see you on my next one. Ciao.